Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the Google background to your picture. First of all, open up the Google web browser on your PC. Once you get into your Google browser, click on the three dots from the top right corner. It will show you the drop-down menu, and then click on Settings from here. Now from the settings, go to About Chrome. Make sure your Chrome is updated on its latest version. After that, click on Default Browser from the navigation bar. Then make sure you choose Google as your default browser. Now open up the new tab and click on Customize Chrome from the bottom right corner. And from here, you can change your background image. So select a photo and save it. Then you can use or see your new background image. When selecting your backdrop image, ensure it is of high quality and accurately corresponds to the size of your screen for a greater appearance. Also, check the brightness and contrast of an image to make sure that text and other elements over it are readily discernible. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.